Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So let's first go to YouTube and then let's go to music. Let's have something running. This is here with GeometryReader, and then the thing that we wanted is, so GeometryReader is basically going to give, it kind of spreads out in the parent container and then it gives two important variables. So let's change it to dark sunlight. Let's go back to light. And let's add this thing, this quest. Oh, you know what, you can get this thing out. Yeah, now it is more easy. We don't need assets that much right now. Okay, so let's okay, let's, this is geometry reader introduction. The moment we put wait, so this is VStack, right? That you have text, geometry reader, and then this, and then you have this mic. Okay. So let's delete. Let's say text, and then let's geometry 0, and then text introduction, and then let's have this text. This is geometry is a container view that pushes out to fill up all available space. You use it. So and then let's change this to, let's increase the font size. So let's make this and then introduction, let's add data color dot gray, and let's make this little bit bigger. Let's just title to, so right now the view provides the kind of centers everything. So then let's now the moment I do something to change the position, see what is going to happen. This spelling is wrong. It says GEO. This is going to go up. This is GeometryReader, and then let's have this. See, now what? The moment it sees this and it comes to know that I'm going to play with the position. So then it kind of the preview provider then puts it on top. So, okay, saying this is how it should be done. Let's get a background. Saying so this is going to take up the empty spaces. Let's have this as title to now. Yeah, you can do it, use to align, but don't use layers. Yeah, use a such stack alignment. Also, there is something, even if you don't specify anything, right, and if you have an system name, this is going to be automatically aligned. That's what he's trying to say here a lot. This is going to be placed here. Let's give it a foreground color, even though it's not aligned or something. Yeah, this geared up adding on sides. So this is getting automatically aligned. That's what it's trying to say. And then yeah, don't do use for layer, use such stack. Now getting size. Now this is important now. This is inside this way stack, right? So now it kind of uses access to two things. Reopen. There is two parameters to which we have access. We'll discuss that. Geometry. Let's get rid of this back. Okay, let's skip this background. And then let's have a text. Now we have access to two things over here. So one is, let's have a width. So if this is width colon and then slash parent, this is, then you have geometry dot so these are, I guess, size, and then you have something, this is size width. So let's just be the width. This is going to be of the parent container, right? This text, the entire parent container, it's already come there. If you see, this is height colon slash, and this is geometry dot size dot, oh, it's overlapped. Why so? Let's kind of, okay, let's place this in a, and then give that spacing, else they will overlap on each other. So let's have this stack. Yeah, now it's one below. So this is not this way stack size, don't get confused. It's the parent, this one. this is, yeah. And then, okay, now so we can position right if you want to move this text. So what you can do is you can go, let's set position, and then use X and Y, so you can move it now in X and Y. So we'll say X is, let's bring it to half. So I say geometry dot, that will be exactly at the center of the parent container. So this text is getting positioned here, and let's have the Y as well at the center. So this is width-wise center, not height. So you is, and then yeah, this is width and height. Same, you can apply the same constraint. Yeah. They will overlap, I guess. Where is this position? Geometry size offset by 2. Why isn't overlapping? Because both of them will be at the center, right? Need to check. It's not applied properly, I guess. Let's have it X and then geometry dot size width /2. Why is it not knowing it? There's some mistake. Oh, the preview is, yeah, this should go right. This is gone now. Let's go text and say height plus geometry dot size dot height, and let's position it. So you go position X colon geometry dot. Now if I do it with, oh, I see. See, now it's properly overlapped, although the height is not centered. So if I do Y colon geometry dot size dot, both are on top of. This Y is putting it at a different location. And then coordinates. So I need X and Y. Like this is an X and Y, right? This is 0, 0. So now to get the coordinates, Let's slash, and then how to get the access, the same, and then I returns the container views bounds rectangle to a refined coordinate space into inches, and then you have to have a coordinated space protocol. So there is a global and local. What is this do? And then this is dot origin dot x. Where did the preview disappear? Let's close this. Let's have this. Not resistant. We need the canvas. It's the canvas. Now it's showing where is the geometry reader starting from, I guess. This point is 0, 0, 0. No. What is this origin? How is this measured? We'll have to check. Inches. These methods are the correct describing the view's position and size related to the global coordinate space. This gives you the x coordinates of the top left. What is global coordinate? What is this? Global. Oh, the entire screen. I see. So this point is talking. The global refers to the condition for the entire screen of the application window. It is a fixed reference space where the origin is at the top left corner regardless of where individual views are placed. That's right. Correct view, sizing, spacing, alignment, basic grid. GeometryReader, let's come here. So this is so then we have so there is two types. One is there is local coordinate space, and then there is global coordinate space. This global is, this basically means entire screen, and origin 0, 0 is top left corner. That's what it's saying. Now what does local give me? And local coordinate space. local, the okay, independent, no local, the boundaries of the view regardless. Now what if I have inside of view? Origin. What's the difference though? Okay, so this is going to give me, this is actual position or absolute. Actual position is this one. And then this is again, this is relative to the viewer. This is related to the view. And also internal layout. So this is used for animations. So no, yeah, so use this for alignment. And we'll use this for animations. This is not, so this is the relative one. I change, oh wait, yeah, let's change this to global. This is local. This is local. Oh, this is global. This is local. Min, mid, max. Okay, you can also get the minimum and the middle in the geometry reader's frame. Now again, you have global and local. So global. This is origin docx. Instead of origin, I can do dot min in x, and then I have min in y. So what is this minimum? You can also get the minimum, middle, and maximum. This is local. This is the edge stack. Where is the geometry is here? Which is inside this is stack. So everything is this stack. So now relative to this waste stack, this edge stack. Where is this edge stack, right? If I want global, this is the actual position of the text in edge stack. Is this true what I'm saying? Does it are able to copy this? Oh, so come here and then say just let's get rid of this thing. The local is with respect to the base stack, which has spacing colon 20. Yeah, Then the waste stack. The waste geometry reader is another children of the waste stack. Its local coordinate space. It's at the geometry reader. Why is there something I'm missing? The local coordinate space is. It's at the geometry meter. The origin is on the top left, he's saying. At the geometry, that means this point. But geometry reader is with respect to the parent, right? Yeah. Its position and size is always. And the local origin of the geometry reader is its position in local coordinate space. There is something. I'll have to search an image of local and global. Let's open Google. Local and global coordinate space. iOS. Let's see if there is any images. There is something I'm missing. I don't know. Geometry. This is something I want to check. No. There is. What is the global and local? Let's see. Geometry. Oh no, this is some image. As you should stack out. No. What is geometry reader? I have 3 rectangles on such stack. Okay. Out of their own coordinate space, I want to place the pink in the upper left corner of the other skin corresponding. This is the frame. There are 2 types of coordinate space, right? No, wait. What's the difference here? Geometry proxy. Wait. Chicken or egg? No. What is meant by local coordinate space? And the rest to me. What is this? So local is basically every will create its own coordinate space. Let's say this image. Position modifier not working as expected. So this is 0, 0. So is this? I guess what he's saying is the x and which is on the top leftmost corner of the screen is that global coordinates. Okay, so the screen one is global. So this is basically this one. So if this is the screen. This is x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. This is the screen one. So each view create its own. What if I move this to then this? Okay. Now this is the text, right? Let's position it to, I say, x colon geometry dot frame. Which coordinate space I use? So you have in local and dot relation dot x. Cannot preview designs. What's extra is so let's kind of get this thing back. Yeah, see. So this is the geometry reader, right? So this point is the local thing from where it's starting on the screen. This is going to be the local, and then if I want it to move to global, it should go somewhere here. Let's have this to global. This is position. Why is this not working now? is this frame? So this should be right. This text. This is the stack, and then what's the mistake? Why is the section going to say 0, this the top leftmost on the screen. Position. Oh, this is x comma y. Yeah, cut. Yeah, no, I need to put the y as well. Okay. So if I go to Xcode, this is the emulator. Yeah, this is x and y both 0, right? So you go. Then you do geometry dot and then inside you write global. Then you kind of do dot origin dot y. There is something failed to build. Why can it find global in scope? Now what's happening? Why is this error coming? So each should be just global. Why am I getting this? Now what Swift does is when the SwiftUI does not recognize global as a value when you use frame, you need to pass as a parameter. Reward replace global. There is I missed dot. So this is the text. Right. This is origin.x. Even though it's this. Let's get rid of this hashtag. It'll be stack, So now this should be go to. This still doesn't push it to origin. Why? Not going to origin. So it's the center. This is because the dot position modifies sets the center of the view of the specified coordinates, not its. What do you mean by center? This is the position modifies it's the center of the view. What is the center? But even if it's centering, okay, bring the center of the view to x0 and y. Does this work? What do I want to do using GeometryReader? It is without geometry, right? Position X. Geometry provided with this other represents. Oh. Center of that X. If you want. If global means x equal to 0, y equal to 0, right? Local is the container we write. Then so can't I position it to the center of the view is placed. So what does it mean? Okay, you see this text is 3D. Let's get rid of this. On the entire text is this. By default at this location. And now if I do this, so its position is, why is it going down though? The center of the view should be here, so it should be the center and the view is not x equal to 0, equal to 0. Position. So what does dot origin dot x mean? So does it give the distance from because if you do global, let's change what's this value origin. This is going to be 0 0 0 0. The origin is the top left corner of the use bounding box or frame as a frame. How far is the views? is from the left edge. Yeah. So how far is this text from the parent frame? No, from here. Should be here, right? Where is it print? 0, 0. It's no, it's not 0, 0. It's something else, I guess. Something. No, it's 0, 0, 0. This in this text. It's 0. There is something. Top left. Like, why is this giving me 0, 0? This the text inside geometry into 0. There is something. When the geometry reader first lays out its content, it doesn't know its own position. So this is why initial is. So let's see how content is rendered now. This is something related to that. So the rendering process. Is review. Where's the rendering happening though? Layout phase. So what happens with geometry reader during layout? There is some rendering issue with geometry reader. It doesn't work like geometry reader is laid out by its. So initially the coincides. That's what it's trying to say. Okay. Geometry is not a fixed size, the size is determined by the variable space. So what happens when we position it? The position is a modifier, right? The positioning geometry. What happens? Turn views inside the geometry. What happens to them? So when we position them, how does that work? Then this does not move the text to 0, 0. In the center, neither is the center moving. There is something that's happening, which is my position may not work. Position the center, but even that is not positioning it right. There's some message. Under the layout phase, GeometryReader is a special container that gives its channel access to the size. Okay. So why is I got that point? Because the views frame hasn't been This is a seeing use on prepare to noise. So initially, no, this geometry reader by syntax. Geometry reader divide only one space. Start global is the issue. There is something wrong here. Top left. Render inside. The geometry error x is written the coordinate. Why this is happened? So it's the frame. Okay. X position. So there is something that happens that so what happens is initially geometry coincides with the parent, and then once the remaining content is laid out, then its position is determined. Okay, then it moves by the time, but then we are already entering the text here. That is some. So that is the correct explanation. I think that is the correct one. I don't know. I feel that is the explanation. Yes. There is an issue with how geometry works. Geometry. Next, this is on screen. I'm not sure. Yeah. So there is a problem with GeometryReader. GeometryReader. Rendering process. So let's say this is so then yeah, so this is, let's have the color to something which can be identified. GeometryReader is overlapping this box. Overlaps the parent container. The reason is needs to be rendered and available space needs to be calculated. So initially it's going to overlap, and then once the available space is calculated, then it is moved to take available space. That's why that's why it's printing this prints origin. Yeah, this will be, you're right, it's still not calculated the available space. Ideally, if I apply the same, no, And if I say move this to position, I say x colon 10 and y colon 10. You see, this has moved to x out and move it to 0 location. Cannot. Let's get rid of this. So this is. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, so this is 0, 0 position, right? This is going to center it at 0. Center of the view is going to be at 0, 0. What's the problem happening here? There's already a view before it, right? So that view needs to be just not center of the text GeometryReader. No. I'm saying there's no text introduction, not this issue. How is this origin? How is this? How is this going to center the location? Zero. The center, if I want to, this view will kind of give it a problem. Half its width and height. Even this is not origin. What is this? Because there is already a view present, right? There is 0, 0 is not. And view is kind of I don't know if I get this thing from here. You see now it kind of goes up. Since the center is at 0, 0 of introduction. That view is kind of, oh, this is a V stack, right? That's going to cause a problem. So we were here, right? Twice. We were stuck with geometry. We needed to move. So initially it's over here. And once the available space is calculated, why is this space? What happened about that? This has been, the center has been moved. So that's how that space has come. Okay, so this moves here, and then nice this space coming. Oh, spacing is 20. Okay, let's get rid of this. So he's saying initially the geometry reader is at the, and then once it calculates, and now, so why does position not work? As expected, choose insight, geometry. Why is this? Reader geometry. Local coordinates. So this is because our geometry reader is render after calculating empty space. Is it because of that? Insert X. Have a flexible size. The best way to position coordinates inside. Use local. Let's come back here. This is that coordinate space is okay. Then you know there was geometry. So this is local. Geometry proxy, okay. There is when geometry proxy in that size started. That is a parameter that is passed. Geometry proxy in height and width of the space. Okay, so geometry proxy is a representation of geometry readers. Geometry will give you access to the height and the width of the space. So this kind of becomes the local geometry proxy. Local coordinate. Local coordinate. Yes, that's the same. So then what I have exported it on is no space. Same. When I use geometry proxy dot size dot the height of geometry. So geometry dot size dot height. Oh, that is this is the height of the container. I'm using something else. So in this is there is something called as if then the mid should be half of what I get. That makes sense, right? The mid should be exact half. So local is okay. This is local. So text. So by his meaning is this is going to be 0. And then this is the max. This is the max. It's along x, right? Min x, min y. I mean, if this is the container, and then this is the min x, min y. This is the max y, this is the mid y. Now what does local do? So local basically gives this container size, right? Global is this. This is related to the view, right? So this is the view. That's what it's trying to say, I guess. Let's do something else. Text and then let's do geometry dot size dot width, and let's do what's the, let's change this to max x. Is this the same? I guess let's have some text. Oh, it's overlapping on each other, so square plus spacer in between. Why is it not working? This let's get rid of this. This was 2.00. Now let's next. Let's say this is high. So everything is getting placed there. Right. Oh, this is not a V stack, right? Let's have a V stack inside. So that, yeah, this is how it should be on top, right? And then let's do jump, it's the slash, and let's do GeometryReader. No. Let me do my dot geometry dot size dot, let's say this is height. Let's say this is width, and let's have this, this is oh, so both are the same. This is the local thing. That's what I was trying to check. So yes, given this diagram, right? So if you understand what it's trying to say is, so this is GeometryReader. This is going to be, but what if you want to change its position with respect to this view? Like we want it side by side. Then we can do an edge track and we can get it aligned. So then we'll say that edge track. Brutal easy. Safe area insets. What is safe area insets? Safe area. Safe area is, what is insets? What is insets? Insets meaning in English, what does this mean? In English, padding around the edges. Okay. So you have this safe area, right? GeometryReader can also do the safe area insets. It has. What do you mean by it has? I mean, so he's saying that the GeometryReader local coordinate space origin local, this is local new height, and then the height will have the space Save area insets. Using the save area, amount of space you should leave around the edges of the screen to avoid being covered by system or UI. You see how much this has to be, this has to be, this has to be. Something like that. Then you have lazy edge. Oh, we haven't started with lazy edge grids, right? Oh, this is so big. Yeah, that's all for geometry insets. Sorry, for geometry reader. We'll see you with lazy edge grid and remaining views.